Silicon Valley is more than just a place on a map. It's about mentality, it's about people. It's about the creative energy that is buzzing around Silicon Valley. And having Asteelflash here in Fremont is a great way for us to make sure that we're going to continue to produce great products today, all the way into tomorrow.
If you look at all the contract manufacturers in the San Francisco Bay Area, Asteelflash is undoubtedly one of the most efficient and technically advanced. But we don't just manufacture products. Asteelflash will team up with you as your advanced technical partner to create real value and strengthen your competitiveness.
There is so much happening in technology. In fact, I think it's the most aggressive era we've ever seen. Of course, we have IoT, and we're going from whatever, a couple of billion devices maybe, to easily 50 billion in the next 3 to 5 years, maybe 100 billion. That changes everything we know about. Along with that is the incredible onrush of AI or artificial intelligence.
At Asteelflash, we use science and technology, working with startups to Fortune 500 companies to bring their product to market quickly, efficiently, and with world-class quality.
To ensure quality and efficiency at all times, Asteelflash invests time and resources maintaining a lean culture throughout the manufacturing process. Being lean leads to happy, engaged employees and, more importantly, satisfied customers.
But beyond manufacturing, we want to participate in changing the world that we know, without forgetting that we have a social responsibility inside the factory and outside in our community.